Hello queens, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you 4 different ways to tie Ankara Gele. Let's get started. So to tie this Zara Ankara style, you need a carton like the one that I'm holding to frame your gele for this style, so it will stand, that style will stand very well at the front. So I'm using this Ankara. I can't really remember the yards, but it's a long length of Ankara. Then I'll be doing the measurements as 30-70. So after getting my 30-70 measurements, I put the carton in the Ankara Gele, then wrap it with the Ankara so it will hold the carton firm tight, and also wrap it to like almost 50% of the gele so that I won't have any challenges tying the excess hand at the back. So after tying the excess hand at the back, I'll be using the long hand. I told you the measurement is 30-70. So the long hand of this, which is the 70, I'll be using it to wrap around the front of the cap, like that cap area. So here I'm just pleating it out to make the my preferable style. You can just put it once like that if you don't want to go through the stress of pleating, or you pleat it out, because the beauty actually is pleating out those that style at the front. That's the beauty. So after I'm done styling the front, I twisted the hand, the remaining hand, then twist it together with the one at the back and tie it into a knot at the back. As you can see, I did not make use of any pins to hold it. Just twist it well and put it into a knot at the back, and you're done with your Zara Ankara scarf. So for this tie too, I unwrapped the 70 length hand and twisted it tight, but not too tight. then style it on the cap to form like a Fulani style, scarf style kind of. You can give it any name. I don't really have a name for it, but I think it's cute. So for this third style, I will be making use of a turban. This third style is the Ankara turban style, but first I will tie a turban underneath to give that eye full look. And as you can see at the beginning, I've already used a cloth to make it eye before tying the turban. So after tying this turban, I will now go in with the Ankara to give it that eye up to turban style and make it look chic. So just keep watching the video. So for the fourth style, I will be tying the normal round gele, and the measurement for this normal round gele is 30-70, just like for the Zara and the Zara style. So the 70 hand, that's the long hand, will be the one that will go under at the back, while the short one, which is a 30, will be on it. And then you tighten it. You are not tying it yet, you just make sure that it's well tight when you grip it at the back. So then you pick that same long hand, that's what you will pleat on it. But before that, I pleat the one on my head first. I pleated like 2 to 3 pleats, though I like doing it from like before I put it on my head, but because I want to show it in this video, I have to make the pleat on my head. So I pleated 3 lines or 3 pleats. Then I'll go in with the long hand, which is a 70, and then pleat it on it. So that's what I will use to pleat throughout to form the round style on the base. So the one on my head is the base, where you make the first 3 pleats before going in with this, the long length, and to make the final pleats on it. So before you tie it at the back, same thing you did at the first time, the long hand will go under, the short one that is at the back will go on top to tie it, as you can see in the video. The reason why you have to do it like this is because you don't want the hand tying the knot showing from the front. So you have to take note of that. When you want to tie at the back, let the long hand be under and the short one be on top before you tie. So as you can see in the video, I keep on pleating and pleating to bring out the style, the round gele style. So it all depends on you. If you want it to be well pleated, you make it well pleated. But for me, I love this kind of not so pleated style, so that it will bring out the beauty. So just keep watching the video till the end, and if you find this video helpful, kindly share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, like, to tell me that I'm doing a good job. And also, if you have any other gele tutorial in mind that you would love me to do, you can drop it in the comment section and I will make a video on that. Thank you so much for always watching and liking my videos. So we have come to the end of the video for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.